back to my channel. Today I have another nail video. I'm using one of the POOCHIEZ realistic practice hands in this video, and I'm also using, oh, okay, that's my dog. I'm also going to be using the Mia's Secret powders. I'm so excited about these powders. The collection is the, oh my god, Fruity, the Fruity collection, and I am trying them out and doing swatches, as in I'm using 3 colours in each video. So you are going to see a video with POOCHIEZ nails, realistic practice hands, and 3 of the Mia's Secret colour Fruity powders. And yeah, I'm just going to get straight into this video. Let's do it. So I am working on EVA today. She is the darkest of the POOCHIEZ hands and she's beautiful. I'm using the regular coffin nails, but I have shaped them into this nice like ovally almondy shape. And I'm using the Mia's Secret colour powder collection. I will leave it linked somewhere up at the side so y'all can click on it and just go over and purchase if you wish to. I love these powders. It's the same set that I used in the fiery one, but you guys will probably get that. I'm also using my Mia's Secret size 8 brush, I think it is. I'll try and remember to leave links for that as well. So I'm going to go straight in with this brownie colour here. I think this one is called Coffee. This is going to be a faded one, so I'm going to do all 3 of the colours all faded together. This nail here is going to be a marble nail. I'm doing this slightly different to the last type of marble that I did, and totally different looks, but I like both, so I'll probably still use both different ways of doing it when I want the different type of look, if that makes sense. I'm using all 3 colours again for this nail, and yeah, I'm just kind of placing them on in like a liney motion and then kind of marbling them together. You guys know what I mean. So this nail is really random. I had kind of no idea what I was actually going to do with this nail. I'm basically, I mean, you guys can just watch and see what I do. I use all 3 colours on all of the nails. And this here I'm just doing kind of like a pattern, a random pattern here, and I'm just going to let you guys watch this. So I loved that marble nail so much that I decided to do another marble nail. I'm just doing the colours in a slightly different order this time. But yeah, basically the same technique. I do really like the way this turned out, but I also do like the other way of marbling as well, where they're more mishmashed together, if that makes sense. But yeah, I like the both marbles. I'm a big fan of marble, apparently. I'm now just going to go in and cap all the nails. I've sped this up loads because it's kind of boring to watch in my opinion, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me cap and then we'll be back. I decided to do all the filing off camera again, as I usually do. So I've done all the filing here, and I'm now going to actually go in and try some decals. This is the first time I've ever used decals. I was sent these decals so kindly by Queen of Decals. I'll try and leave a link down below for her Instagram or her, I think she has a page as well. I'll try and find some info for you guys though, but there's going to be a lot more videos using these. So I'll be able to leave you lots more links in the future. This was my first time and I didn't do a very good job, guys, I'm not gonna lie. So basically it says to cut the shape out and then soak it in water. I'm not sure if maybe I didn't soak it for long enough. It came away from the paper really easily, so I'm thinking that's the only reason you soak it, but I don't know. I just really struggled to stick these down. Now, after I started doing this, I realised to actually try doing it over like a sticky layer. I think I did anyway, so I'm gonna come in now and like top coat all of the nails. I'm just using my Colour Couture clear top coat that I'm trying to use up. It's not the best, but you know, I'm just using it and using it up. So I go in and I top coat all of the nails, and then I come back in and I try with the decals again. Unfortunately, I'm still not having the best luck with these. I just couldn't get them to stick down that well. It's not the decals fault or anything like that. It's purely I have no idea what I'm doing with these. I've never done it before, and yeah, I think I need a bit of practice, try a few different techniques. I've got loads of these. She sent me loads, so I'm gonna be using these in a lot of videos in the future. and they'll be Instagram pictures and all of that jazz. So yeah, I'm also putting some more on this nail. It was a really random, like I had no plan of where I was going to put them or which ones I was going to use. I literally just decided there and then. I think it looks alright, but I just know that I haven't done it properly. I haven't done it right. So I'm really sorry, Bev, that I haven't done this right. But I will practice and I will get better. And I just love these decals. They're so awesome. Just went over and top coated them all, and yeah, as you can see, here is the finished look. I really like them. They're not my favourite nails, I'm not gonna lie. They're not my favourite colours. You know, that's just me. I'm much more of a pinky kind of girl, but you guys already know that. I didn't do the best job with the decals, but the decals are so cool. I just think it's so ace that you can get such amazing art without like having to put loads and loads of like time and effort into painting, if that makes sense. Like, oh, I just think decals are so cool. I'm definitely going to be using these in the future. I just love them. Just look how dark Eva looks when she's like further down there. She's so beautiful. I love her. And that is it, guys. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed, please do subscribe, do hit the like button, and leave me comments down below because I always reply. It might take me a few days, but I always reply. I love you guys so much. You mean the world to me. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!